A deadly virus is on the rampage in eastern China, killing at least 21 children and infecting as many as 3,000. Enterovirus 71 emerged in early March in Fuyang, but the authorities only released the information on Sunday, saying nearly 800 cases have been reported. By Thursday, the number had risen to 3,000. Enteroviruses are spread through contact with infected blisters or feces and can cause high fever, paralysis and swelling of the brain. There are no vaccines or antiviral products to treat or prevent the virus. The delay in reporting the outbreak has sparked heated discussion in the Chinese media, which has called on local government officials to be sacked. The authorities say most of those infected are under the age of 6.